Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're an Amazon seller or thinking about starting, today's video is going to be super helpful. We're going to explore the different selling programs available in Amazon Seller Central. First things first, log in to your Seller Central dashboard, and once you are logged in, navigate to the Growth tab under the left menu section and click on Explore Selling Program. So, Amazon offers a variety of selling programs tailored to different business needs. Whether you're looking to expand internationally, join subscription services, or use fulfillment options, there's a program designed to boost your sales and account visibility. First up, we have Fulfillment by Amazon FBA. This is one of the most popular programs for sellers because Amazon takes care of storage, shipping, and customer service. All you need to do is send your products to Amazon's warehouses, and they handle the rest. If you have your brand, Amazon Brand Registry is a must. This program protects your brand from counterfeiters and gives you access to tools like a content and sponsored brands ads. It's designed to help you showcase your brand in the best possible way. These programs not only help protect your brand but also boost your business growth. For example, Project Zero uses advanced technology to remove counterfeit products automatically. Virtual Bundles lets you create product bundles without holding physical inventory. Next, we have Subscribe Save. If you sell consumable products, like groceries or personal care items, this program allows customers to subscribe to regular deliveries of your products while they enjoy discounts. It helps you build recurring sales with a loyal customer base. To enroll in any of these programs, click on the program you're interested in and follow the instructions to sign up. Each program comes with its own benefits and eligibility requirements, so make sure to read the details carefully. And there you have it. These Amazon selling programs can really help you take your business to the next level. Whether you're looking to scale globally, build a loyal customer base, or protect your brand, there's something for everyone. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tips on how to grow your Amazon business, and hit that bell icon to get notified of our next video.